Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to Ace Custom Cars. We're gonna cut off the rocker panels today. Start getting it ready while my drill bits come in. We're just gonna skin it out, and it's gonna be like very noisy. So we'll get this done. Use ear protection for sure. And here we go. Those pop without a problem. Ah, you mother. I knew that was gonna happen. Alright, we're gonna grind this lip. Grind all the welds. Spot welds, it's all skinned out. Now comes the tough part. A little noisy. Get you ready. Okay, we're ready to start spot welding the rocker in. Just got to make sure all our metals are touching. And this welder is not the easiest thing to handle, but we'll get it. So rocker panels are in, and we'll get it all stripped out.
But it's in good shape. Down there, into here. Look at that. Solid.
So, got Junior's big head in the way. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys later.
Don't be afraid to send some stuff in. Sponsors? Anybody?
Yeah, that would be great.